Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'll show you how I prepare this golden fry. This is a great way to prepare the fries, and to start we're going to peel and wash the potatoes, 2 or 3 big potatoes, and using this system they will be tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. So we put the potatoes on water, and now I will cut like this, and then again like this in 1 centimeter side. We cut canes 1 centimeter on each side. You can do it bigger or smaller, you decide. How do you want your fries? And when they are ready, you put again on water, and I will put 3 or 4 tablespoons of vinegar in the water, and we leave for 20 minutes, about 20 minutes. In the meantime, we are putting the oil to fry, to get hot. And now we are going to drain the potatoes and dry them with a kitchen cloth or with a kitchen paper, whatever you have. And now this is the important step. We are putting the corn flour, 1 tablespoon. Just 1 is okay. And we will distribute well over all the potatoes like this. So now we are ready to put the potatoes in the oil to fry. We have the hot oil, and the secret of this recipe is to fry in 2 times, 2 different times. First we will fry like 10 minutes, and we need to get this color like golden, but not too golden, like this. We take out the potatoes of the oil, and we leave here like 30 minutes, and then we will fry again. This is the first color that we need, and then again we return to fry in the hot oil like 5 minutes until we have this golden. This is the color that we need, and we have a great potatoes, tender inside and crunchy outside. I will put the salt, and if you like you can put garlic and parsley. It is very tasty. And now let's go to enjoy these fries. And remember, if you like this video, this channel, please thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you, and see you next video.